Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So in this video, I'll show you how to disable control center on iPhone's lock screen. Now currently you can see my iPhone is unlocked, so I can access control center. But if in case your phone gets stolen, and even if the phone is locked and if anyone is able to access control center like this, then they can change the settings. They can keep your phone on airplane mode so that even if you try to call on it, you won't be able to connect it. Next thing is they can keep your phone on silent mode as well. So if you don't want anyone to hamper the settings in control center, then simply disable control center access on iPhone's lock screen. Now how can you do that? First of all, go to settings option, go down and look for Face ID and Passcode option, or else Touch ID and Passcode option if you have an iPhone which has Touch ID. Select that option, enter your iPhone's passcode, and on this particular page, go down and look for allow access when locked. Now currently you can see there is an option of control center and currently the toggle is on, which is why anyone can access control center on lock screen. But if I turn off this toggle and this time if I lock my phone, you can see the phone is locked. If I try to access control center, you can see it is not happening. So this is how simple it is to disable control center access on iPhone's lock screen. In future, if you want to access control center on lock screen, then you can just simply go to Face ID and Passcode settings, and down here you can turn on the toggle. You can do the same thing for notification center as well. So if you don't want anyone to access notification center on lock screen, again you can turn it off, and after that you can see I'm not able to open notification center as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.